What's up, Boogie Boys? We're back with a little fishing for fishies. I'm trying to do them all as they come out, but I've been a little busy lately. My buddy and I started a coffee roasting company, and yeah, here's a couple of our little sample bags. It's called Bastion. We're only selling samples on our website right now. This summer we're gonna do a full release, but yeah, I'll leave the link down below. It'd be badass if you guys wanted to check it out, maybe buy a bag. They're only $5 right now. It's just samples, like I'm saying, but it's good shit. It's good shit. But yeah, anyways, let's just get into some fishing for fishies. It's a really short little riff. I'm just doing it for the hell of it. But yeah, here we go. Alright, so the first half of this melody starts out on a 3 draw. You kind of bend it, and then you bounce around on 3 blow for a little bit, and you just slide into a 2 blow. So pretty basic. Sorry, it kind of faded out there. So slower this time. Takes some getting used to, but you should be able to get it down pretty quick. Part 2 now? Part 2 is even easier. It's only 3 holes. So draw 3, draw 4, blow 4. Alright, yeah, nothing to that. Super simple. The fun comes when you kind of like play them together. So I'll play them both together right now and see how that sounds. Alright, I'll play it through real quick here. Give you an idea how it sounds. He plays the first half of the melody like 6 times, I think, and then the second half once, and then back to the first half. It always varies, but it's a super fun little riff to play, kind of like bluesy, bluegrassy. Yeah, it's a fun one. Definitely fun. Alright, so anyways guys, let me know what you want to hear next. Again, check us out, Bastion Roasting Company. If you like coffee, if you like to support small little coffee roasting, we're just a couple of Giz boys making some good ass coffee. So yeah, thanks for watching. Goodbye.